Hello and welcome to Crypto Bible. My name's Oliver Tompkins and I have some big news that I want to share with you today. I'm going to be talking about the richest man in crypto in the world. You may have heard of him. Binance's Changpeng Zhao has come out today and I have a few articles that I want to present to you. We're going to go through them and have a little chat because I think it's very interesting. So I'm going to bring up the first article for you now. So here we go. This is the first article from Cointelegraph, and the tagline reads, Binance CEO CZ is the richest crypto billionaire at $96 billion. Wow, drink that in. That is an incredible amount. So Changpeng Zhao's net worth overtook Asia's richest billionaire, Mukesh Ambani, despite Bloomberg excluding his personal crypto holdings. Wait a minute. So what they're saying here is his net worth has overtaken Asia's richest billionaire, and they're not even including his crypto holdings. You know he's got a ton of BNB and some Bitcoin and whatnot. So that $96 billion is not the truth, is it? So he has a ton behind him. So let's go through here. So Changpeng Zhao, CEO of Binance and also known as CZ. Let's be honest, it's easier to say CZ. He tops the list of richest crypto billionaires with an estimated worth of $96 billion. So according to Bloomberg, he ranks 11th amongst the richest people. So now he's talking about the richest people in the world. He ranks 11th, and it retains its position as the biggest crypto exchange in terms of trading volume. So CZ, 44-year-old crypto entrepreneur, wow, still so young as well, overtook Asia's richest billionaire, Mukesh Ambani, despite Bloomberg excluding his personal crypto holdings, Bitcoin and the BNB tokens. And he's got a tweet here saying the industry is growing. My opinion, he's not going to stop. This CZ, he is going to be aggressive. He wants to be the best. You look at some of his tweets, and we'll look at another one of his tweets later on, but the industry is growing. He's putting out the feelers. According to Bloomberg's estimation, CZ stands just behind the Oracle co-founder, Larry Ellison, who leads by 11 billion. While this was the first time Bloomberg estimated CZ's fortune, Binance's growth trajectory signals a possibility of exceeding tech giants such as Meta's Mark Zuckerberg and Google, Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Currently, Zuckerberg, Page and Brin rank 5th, 6th and 7th, respectively, while Tesla, Elon Musk leads the billionaires list with an estimated fortune of $263 billion. So let's look. This is a cool little chart here. Let me zoom in a bit so we can see. So we can see Elon Musk is top. He's a top dog. Then Jeff Bezos. And then all the way down to 10, Larry Ellison. Will CZ get into the top 10 of the richest billionaires in the world? My personal opinion, I think he will. I think as more and more people adopt crypto and, more and more countries allow Binance to, let's face it, Binance have had some difficulty in the past. But when more and more people adopt crypto, I can see CZ getting in that top 10. Yeah. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. So here we go. We've got data from Cointelegraph, Markets Pro, Trading View confirmed the price of BNB appreciated over 1,300%. Let's say that again, 1,300%. Wowie. In the past year alone, if BNB can maintain such a pace, CZ will become the first crypto entrepreneur to enter the top 10 billionaires list. That's literally what I just said. Can I see him getting in the top 10? Yeah. Can I see him in the top 5? The rate he's going, why not? Why not? So this is a graph here just showing you the price of BNB and how, that 1,300%. What a trajectory that is. So the success, okay, so this is interesting. The success of Binance can be attributed to CZ's ongoing efforts to accrue operational licenses across jurisdictions globally. Despite regulatory hurdles, Binance maintains an ongoing partnership and acquisition streak to remain a leader in the crypto trading space. So even though CZ has hit some hurdles, he's still saying, no, I'm not having any of this. He's still going and he's still making acquisitions. Most recently, the crypto exchange finalized the acquisition of Swipe, a prominent crypto Visa card provider that operates at over 70 million locations worldwide. That's huge. In addition, Binance also launched a $1 billion initiative to fast-track the development of the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem and advance mainstream adoption across the financial technology sector. Wow. So there we go. That's the first article. Now, let's have a look at the second article, because again, there's some very interesting information here, and it kind of gives you a bit of an insight into CZ. Okay, here we go. Here's the second article I want to show you guys. This is from Decrypt. So the tagline reads here, Binance CEO's $96 billion fortune is worth double Satoshi's Bitcoin stash. I'm going to read that again. Binance's CEO's $96 billion fortune is worth double Satoshi's Bitcoin stash. That's mad. Binance CEO has become one of the richest people in the world, even without his crypto holdings. So again, we're not taking into account what he has in crypto. So forget what he owns in crypto. It's $96 billion. If we add what he has in crypto, what is that number? I don't know. It's something colossal, I'm sure. So here we go. It goes, Changpao Zhao, CEO of crypto exchange Binance, has become one of the richest men in the world with a fortune of $96 billion per Bloomberg's billionaire index. The near $100 billion I said dollar twice, wealth amassed by CZ, as he's known in his crypto circles, doesn't even factor in his own personal crypto holdings, which we spoke about. They include Bitcoin and Binance native cryptocurrency, which is currently valued at $440 1 year ago, and BNB was worth less than $50 a year ago. And we kind of had a look at the chart, didn't we, from the other article we looked at. It says here, his fortune dwarfs of many of the other cryptos industry's biggest names, including FTX CEO Sam Bankman, who owns $22.5 billion, and Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, who owns $9.6 billion. And per the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, CZ's wealth even eclipses that of Satoshi Nakamoto, the mysterious and today anonymous creator of Bitcoin. Reports last year indicate that Satoshi's crypto holdings amount to as many as 1.1 million Bitcoin, which is worth $45.8 billion at today's prices. This is mad. This guy is very smart. He's creating something very big, and with more and more, in my opinion, more and more people getting into the crypto space, I think we're going to see and hear the name CZ a lot. Outside the world of crypto, CZ's peers include Tesla, SpaceX founder Elon Musk, we've all heard of him, who boasts an estimated net worth of $263 billion. We saw that on the graph on the other report as well. And Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon, who's about $188.4 billion. So Binance itself is doing very well. The crypto exchange generated $20 billion in revenue just in 2021. A figure which reportedly dwarfs 2021 revenue expectations for Coinbase. So here we go. An analyst here, Chris Brendler, told Bloomberg, Coinbase might appear to be the 800-pound gorilla from a US perspective, but Binance is significantly bigger. Despite these lofty figures, Binance cautioned Bloomberg's estimations, claiming crypto is still in its growth stage, and that crypto is susceptible to high levels of volatility. Any number you hear one day will be different from a number you hear the next day, the exchange told Bloomberg. And here we have another tweet from CZ. Don't worry about rankings, focus on how many people you can help. So this tells me, in my opinion, he's trying to build trust. He's going to be backing his company and reinvesting his billions that now we know just his wealth and how rich this guy is. He wants to make Binance colossal, and he's focusing on how many people you can help. He wants Binance to be trusted, and it just being at, in its growth stage, as we said here from the exchange told Bloomberg, more and more people with the adoption of crypto, Binance is going to be a powerhouse to be reckoned with. We've got other competitors, haven't we, on the moment, like crypto.com. They're advertising everywhere. They could come up and compete. But at the moment, with CZ's backing, it's going to be hard to take on someone like Binance. And already they're having difficulties in other countries. So here we go. What lies ahead for CZ and Binance? Despite its successes, Binance has faced repeatedly pushbacks from regulators around the world. kind of like what I was talking about. Holland and Japan regulators published consumer warnings about Binance. Italy, Cayman Islands publicly warned that Binance was not licensed to do business in their respective countries. Malaysian regulators hit the exchange with enforcement action, operating illegally in the country. This resulted in all Binance entities active in Malaysia having to immediately cease media and market activities, as well as immediately restricting Malaysian investors from accessing the exchange's official Telegram group. In the UK, the FCA, the Financial Conduct Authority, issued a consumer warning against Binance Market Limited and the Exchange UK entity. So, you've got all these other countries kind of slaying Binance and saying, don't use them. And even in Singapore, where CZ has been living recently, the exchange failed to gain a license. But yet he still has this vast amount of wealth and operating in other countries around the globe. What happens when all these countries start going, hey, do you know what? Okay, we'll let you back in. You can start operating here. And he's already amassed this amount of wealth. He's going to keep going. It's going to be huge. And it's going to be very hard to compete with Binance as the number one exchange, in terms of trading volume. So also, CZ, he's been looking for a home, like a base, his headquarters. So in September of last year, he's admitted, after long insisted that the exchange was decentralized, that Binance needed headquarters to satisfy the world's regulators. So he's trying. He is trying to help and trying to build trust with people. Recently, we saw in the past that he's recruited a comms director to help with communications. He's doing the work, and he is invested in making Binance, the biggest name in crypto. Towards the end of last year, it was rumored that Ireland could become the exchange headquarters. Of late, though, Binance has turned its focus to Dubai. Days before Christmas, the exchange announced the signing of a memorandum of understanding, an MOU, with the Dubai World Trade Center Authority. So, importantly, it says here, MOUs are not legally binding. For now, the exchange's search for a home continues. So there we go, guys, a huge story. Everyone around the world now is going to know that CZ is the biggest billionaire in crypto. He's attacking the top 10 wealthiest people in the world, and that's not including his assets in crypto. So it's mad. This guy is very organized. He's very ambitious. I only see huge things for Binance in the future. Let me know your thoughts about this whole thing in the comments below. Are you invested in BNB? You think about invested into the BNB coin? Let me know all the thoughts in the comments below. As always, throw me a like, get yourself subbed, turn those notifications on. I'm going to be bringing you so much news in the world of crypto. And once again, thanks for joining me for today, and I'll see you on the next one.